Bridgestone is a global innovator, delivering products with ever-increasing performances. It has been producing off-the-road tyres for more than 50 years, tyres that have proven to deliver real value and safety for customers worldwide. In 1999, Bridgestone identified a number of performance limitations in the off-the-road tyre repair industry. The industry wasn't well served by the repair process, design and materials available. So Bridgestone set about developing a repair system that would provide real value for customers. The objective was simple: create a system that worked with a tyre to deliver industry-leading operating safety and durability at a low running cost.
What sets Bridgestone repairs apart from the competition is our approach to tyre repair itself. Commercial systems approach a repair from what's available in the marketplace and not the damage in the tyre. We approach it from the damage to the individual tyre and make the repair to suit that damage.